Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Let's start off with the foreign exchange market. Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $156.99. The Canadian is going for $123.49. $208.66 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.18. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,236 points, while the junior market index fell by 42 points. Among the 35 winners were JMMB Group 8.5% US dollar shares, Mayberry Group, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Edufocal and Jamaica Stock Exchange. The 43 losers included T-Tech, JFP, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Cargo Handlers and Jamaican Teas, 21 stocks traded firm. To some news on the economy, Jamaica's mining and quarrying industry grew by 18.7% in the first quarter of 2024. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIN, says this was mainly due to an increase in alumina and bauxite production. The alumina production sector in particular, in the first 3 months of the year, saw a total of 392,835 tons being produced. That was up from 307,393 tons in the similar period in 2023. Crude bauxite volumes increased by 4.6% to 447,504 tons for January to March. Statin says this increased output also saw higher export volumes of both products. Alumina exports grew by 32% to 352,134 tons, while crude bauxite exports rose by 7.4% to 478,298 tons. And that is it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys.